Well, today is the day.
Christmas in August?
Yeah, we're a couple of weeks late for Christmas in July. But so, if you recall our last video, it was all about the whole e-bike scene. And we've been lucky enough to partner up with Cooly Bikes. So they're based down in Coolangatta, not too far from us. So we just had a phone call from the courier to say they're going to be probably here by 2 o'clock. It is now 1:30. They said they'll give me another call when they're probably 10 minutes away. And we'll be expecting delivery of a new toy. I got the special bike ramp.
Yeah, we use it all the time.
You deliver a lot of bikes?
We do, but we only Cooly are the ones that have them assembled.
Assembled, yeah.
We do a few for another couple of companies, but they're all boxed. So, but we use this for a lot of hospital equipment as well.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. Happy days.
Enjoy that.
Nice to mate. Well, thank you.
No problems at all, mate.
Yeah, I'll give you guys a mention on the vid. So.
Yeah, that'd be great. It's for the sub-secret guys. So yeah.
You say you do is it Queensland, Vic, and New South Wales?
Well, so what we do, as sub 60, we primarily we're all contractors to sub 60.
Yeah.
Gold Coast, Brisbane, Northern Rivers, Sunshine Coast, but then we do interstate stuff for toll. So we'll bring everything back to a depot.
Okay. Yeah.
And ship it out. So yeah.
All right. Nice one.
No, thank you very much, Nick.
Thank you, buddy. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too, mate. Enjoy the bike.
I'll have a go. Cheers, buddy. Well, there it is. It's just been delivered. Very well packaged. As you can see here, it was tethered well in his van. He had a few other drops to do. So big shout out to Sub 60. They're very good at what they do. They had a bike ramp. Obviously, in certain parts of Australia, they do deliver Australia-wide. But Brisbane, New South Wales, Victoria, they all deliver it already assembled. So that is one of the beauties with Cooly Bikes. Don't have to do any unboxing videos. So I can literally go straight in, unwrap all the wrapping, and go and get some miles on it. So stay tuned, we'll have a little tour around the bike.
Wow!
There's summer breaks coming to as well.
That's fancy, isn't it?
A little CP on the back. Give it put a little there in the little of those here. Look, this is an add-on. Your bike thing holder.
Very nice.
And the car go at the front, I think.
Fancy.
Like that.
Where's the box?
Don't get a box.
Oh, it just come off the van.
That's
like that.
So, first question from Miss Emigrate was, where's the box? That's the thing about Cooly. No box. Especially, like I said, if you're in the following states, it gets delivered to you, ready to go. Right, well that's the fun bit out of the way. So we've now got our little accessory pack. So you can see we've got a nice little Cooly logo on it. So we'll open it up. So we've got the anti-theft bike alarm and keys. Always handy. Lots and lots of Cooly stickers. Cooly, Cooly, Cooly. Cooly bike. Cooly bike. We also have the toolkit. We'll go through that in a minute. Another handle or a shifter. Not sure what that is yet. Might have a look in a minute. Gonna have a guess this might be the charger. And the important manual. So, in the toolkit. We'll open it up. So we have got spanners, 14, 15s, 10s, 8s, 11s. Got some Allen keys. What else we got? Screwdriver. Couple of brake pads. Got a brake pad. Yeah, it's not a bad little toolkit. Everything you need. Right, let's have a look at the charger. So there we go. Straight out of the box. Nice and simple. One bit goes in your battery. Little unit. And your mains. There we go.
You know who made it.